I am so impressed with this repair kit. This comes in a pack of multiple colors to help get the perfect match for your leather. It also has a template for which colors to mix together to get that perfect match. I decided to take a pillow from our couch that had a tiny notch in it to try to match and test the coloring on. I have had this authentic leather couch for less than 2 years, and unfortunately one of my kids had an accident and then tried to clean it by scrubbing the couch with a sponge and dish soap. I was devastated, as this couch was something I had searched for a while and absolutely loved the look of. The tough part about color matching this couch is that it has some fading or some wear and discoloration, so the color match I did on the pillow didn't match as much with the area I really needed to repair. So I quickly wiped off the original I placed on it and then added more yellow and was able to get a surprisingly perfect match. I cannot believe how incredibly well this blended. You can't even see where the problem area was. I found that using a washcloth was the easiest way to blend the color because of the large area I was covering. This dried quicker than I expected it to, and it didn't take long before I found my kids sitting on it. Even with being used right away, it doesn't show any sign of smudging or discoloration. It dried and sealed very well and quickly. Even my husband was shocked to see that you actually can't see where the issue was. This repair kit is incredible. I am so glad the seller gifted this to me to review. It actually fixed my couch when I thought it was completely unfixable. I am so happy with this and I highly recommend it.